Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be working with making a two-dimensional version of the Turtle program with Unity. This is a long project, so to start off, we're just going to work with getting started with Unity and learning some basics about scripts. So the first thing you'll need to do is to create a Unity project. What I'm doing right here is I'm finding a spot where I can save my Unity project so that way later I'll remember where I saved it. Then I open the Unity Hub, and here I make a new project and I choose 2D because it's going to be a two-dimensional program, and I name it Two-Dimensional Turtle. Sounds like a good name. Or Two-Dimensional Turtle version 1.0. Just why not? And I just click the little three dots over by where it wants you to put it, and then you can go through File Explorer and figure out exactly where you want it. So I just follow the path to where I created the file, and then just click on the folder that I want it in. And then you just click Create. Should be as simple as that. So the first thing I'm going to do with this two-dimensional scene is I'm going to create something to be in the scene, just so that way where I'm doing this I can be able to move around and such. So I'll go over here and I'll click on Assets, Create, or just 2D Object, Sprite, or sorry, not Sprite. Yeah, Sprite. Then Circle, maybe? Yeah, there we go. Let's make a circle. It's a fairly simple object. And there we go. We got ourselves a circle. So we created the Unity file. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do next for scripts. I'm going to go work on a tutorial and come back. Hello. So I worked on the tutorial and figured out some more about scripts. So I'm back. There's the tutorial I used just in case you want to use it. It's under the Learn tab in Unity, and there's just a tutorial about scripts, which I found very helpful. It's called Scripts with Behavior Components. I'll put a link to it down below in the description, as well as I found the Unity documentation very helpful whenever I was working on this. So now I just open up my Unity file again, going through the Unity Hub, and here we are. Here's back to my sample scene, and you get to see our little friend the circle there. Very nice. And then to make a new script, you just hit the little plus button and you click C# scripts, and then you'll get a new behavior script. And you just, click on the new script to open it. Or you can rename it as to whatever you want. So I decided to rename it Attempt at Script because, first attempt at script, why not? And then to run the script, you can see the information in the script over to the side where my mouse is, but to actually run the script, you go and click on the script, and open C# project. No, that's not the way to do it. Sorry. Do not do that. That'll just bring up the information about it. And you can do that and then double click attempt at csharp.cs and click open in Visual Code or Visual Studio. VS Code. I can remember. But that's not the simplest way to open it. I'll show you another way later. And there we go. Now it's loaded. I say it's loaded. You have to wait for it to load. There we go. Okay. So this is just your basic empty C# script. You got your using system.collection, using system.collections.generic, and using Unity editor, Unity engine. Just started with C# script for Unity. And then you have public class, and then you have new behavior scripts, semicolon mono behavior. And yeah, that's how you create a script. I'll go look at some tutorials again, rewatch that tutorial, and look through it again just one more time, and probably take a look at some of the Unity documentation so that way I can figure out how the objects move, or how to make the objects move. Hello, I'm back. So I went and looked at the documentation and that tutorial, and I figured out how to make the object move. There it is on the screen. Vector2.down makes the object move down. If you want an explanation for any of the other stuff in this, you can just go look at the Unity documentation. It's very helpful. Basically, transform.translate makes the object move. Vector2.down makes it move down. Terribly self-explanatory. Now you just go click the new behavior script, or not click. Well, you wait for the new behavior script to load, and then you click and drag it to the circle, so that way you can apply it to the circle sprite. And there it is. You can just see the little behavior script right there. And now you press play to enter game view. And you wait for the Unity to load, and look! We're making the circle go down. We've made an object move in Unity. But the problem now is, we can't follow the circle. The circle's moving, and we can't follow it. So, in the next part of this tutorial, I'll cover how to move in Unity, or how to move in the game view portion of Unity, or make it so that you can move. Basically, kind of making a basic UI to help you move around in Unity. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. In the next video, as I previously stated, we'll be dealing with making the camera move in Unity, and figuring out how to move the camera when you're in game view. So, if you liked the video, please like the video or hit subscribe and watch the next one. Have a good day.